gotta tell. It's a dead person. We've had the slime of their brain. The shape on my face. What? It's shapeshifter slime. They're dead people. What? Is it a dog or a cow's? Or is it extra left over? Telling us who's sitting on here. Oh. Is it a dead person? Did I kill him? Shapeshifter slime. Wait, is that a slime? A thing's slime mucus collects its own blood. Pig meat taught me that. Your boogers clean up blood better than stain remover. I'm not sure. Can we get a blood light? We've been leaving a trail of blood ever since Anubis, James, Mike, and Lana yelled at Anubis and put blood on the storm cellar ceiling. We put blood in every house that we've gone to so we don't lie to our dogs about where we are. Excuse me.